Afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's December 20th. We did have the grains down again. So once again, starting off pretty weak today. We saw some action here early today, but then as it got closer to the close, things were relatively quiet. But corn's still staying about 6 cents lower today, closing below that $7 mark for March corn. For the week right now, corn is down about 34 cents. So we have seen quite a pullback. We'll see how we finish out the week, but certainly negative here at this point. And if we see another close down below that $7 area, next target, your next support area is 680. As far as beans kind of led the whole way down, or led the sell-off here today. We did have another cancellation from China this morning, canceling another 540,000 tons of beans, and certainly negative to the market, and we reacted just that way, down 26 cents. So for the week right now, beans are down 87 cents. So we saw negative export sales today for corn and beans, but this is the second cancellation from China this week, and certainly concerning for beans at this point. Still finishing just above $14, but not a strong close overall, and on a weekly chart certainly looks still negative. So we'll see how that plays out here tomorrow. As far as wheat, down 15 cents. We did break down below that $8 level for March wheat. Down 23 for the week. So the wheat market, which actually we had good export sales today, we've seen more demand for wheat. But I think with this storm that's coming through here, they've gotten a lot of rain down in the plains all the way up through the Midwest, and bringing a lot of rain and snow. So this moisture is starting to cool the ideas of soil moisture lacking at this point. But we'll see how that plays out. Not a lot of news other than that. Some of these outside markets quiet. The dollar unchanged, with crude oil right now about unchanged as well. And we're getting into this holiday trading where it's very quiet, and we'll see. Obviously, the grains over the last several days haven't been, but we may get into that as we get into next week ahead of the holiday. Looking at the livestock, hogs down about 15 cents today. Not a lot of movement there. We did end up backing off early in the session, but coming back near the close, not a lot of movement, about 15 cents lower in Feb. But cattle down 92 cents. So Febs are sitting at 133.42. We did see a little action on the cash side. We did see 126 trade today in Texas and Kansas. That's about $1.50 higher. But the futures right now are pricing in about 128. So they're pricing in a significant jump here again for next week. But we'll see how that works out. But I think right now, looking at things and what we saw today, the trade was taking some of that off the table, and keeping that February contract about 92 cents lower. Give us a call over here. We'll see how tomorrow goes. And like I said, pretty weak in the grains. The technical picture certainly weak again, but we need to see if we can get that recovery that a lot of guys are waiting for. But we'll see how that works out for us tomorrow. Call us 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.